How to tame a wild Thomas. You can see that.
What was that? What was that?
You can see. I've got no clue. Yeah, the wild Thomas. You can see the blue coat, which resembles that he's not tamed, and that's his territory. Oh, you can see him a little bit. It's a good sign. Right, come on, let's go. Slowly moving. You might want to try and crouch for this.
Yeah.
Because if you
But when you encounter a wild Thomas, just like a bear, you've always got to get down.
you've always got to get down.
Just like when we tamed the Thomas.
Yes, when we team Thomas up.
Yeah, this is how to tame him. He's there. He's there. He's there. She's there. He was she.
Well, I'll just see.
But he won.
There it is!
It's gone. It's over there. What? He must have killed a bird. He must have killed a bird. Ah! No, I want Thomas! We need to tame it! We need to tame it!
Oh my gosh!
Ah!
You gotta get it on the floor first! You gotta get it on the floor! Get down! Get down on the bloody floor!
Yeah, you hold the camera, I'll be able to do it. You hold the camera.
I can do it!
Get down, Thomas! Get down, Thomas!
You're breaking my back!
I'll get it! I'll get it!
Right,
Man, get him down! Right, this is how you tame him. So you knock him out. Then you make him pat himself on the forehead. Then you make
five times!
Then you make him pick his nose.
Yep.
Then all you have to do.
Hello there!
Hi, Tom. Hi, Thomas.
Hell, I think he's doing it. Ah! Get him off me! Help, guys!
No. He is a friend. Yeah, give him a treat. Here you go.
Oh wait, I think I knocked him.
Get him! What do you tame him? He's untamed! He's untamed! No, he's untamed to you, but kill him!
Oh my gosh! Very strong! He can choke it out in about 5 seconds if he needs to. I'm a woman.
R.I.P. to William.
Help, crew! Oh no!
R.I.P. to William.
Get off me, please! Kick him in the I'll kick you in the nuts! Oh god! Oh, please don't knock us out cold.
Yeah, he's definitely dead.
Some food for you, master.
No, I'm alright. Right.
Take this on my plate. Oh, I think I'm okay, guys. Don't worry.
Here's some medicine.
I think I'm okay, guys.
After a couple of minutes of trying, we finally revived William. So, how do you feel after that?
Very bad. Thomas is a very deadly creature. I suggest not to mess with him. Do you want a treat now?
One sec.
Can I have some tea? Okay, here's some tea.
Here's some tea.
Sick.
Lovely mangosteen tea. Flavored just how you want it. Attack!
Ow!
Attack him! I'll help you. Okay, I might need a stabilizer. Oh, he's gone into a safe place. He's gone into a safe place. for a treat. I need to get a stabilizer for this camera. Oh, he's out, he's out.
As you can see, the Thomas is not aggro anymore. So when he's not aggro, he gets very angry. But now he's my master. He's not your master anymore.
Do you want some tea?
Do you want a good snowman? Fuck off, you bitch. Oh my god!
That's how you do it with one hand.
My teeth.
Yes.
Wait.
Goodbye.
Seeds.
What are these?
Seeds are really nice things. And if you want the seeds, that's the master. I have Scottish teeth. I have Asian teeth. I have Asian teeth.
Asian? I'm Asian. That's not how you make tea, you twerp. Your enemy's gone now.
Can I have some more tea?
Yes, of course. Good tea. So Thomas, follow me. Thomas, follow me. I'm so sorry, but you have to go in your cage for a little bit.
What about I
If you don't make any sudden movement, stay like that. You have to go in your cage. It's sleepy time. It's sleepy time now. Here is your cage. Thomas. Here is your cage. Here's your cage. I'm so sorry, but it's sleepy time. Good night.